we're here at Coverings 2024 for one of my favorite initiatives, our Showstoppers initiative, where we get to delve a little deeply in with our manufacturers and let you know what makes a brand tick from Tile of Spain. Today I'm here with Danny Perez from the Peronda Group. We're here in Harmony's booth, one of the brands of the Peronda Group. So Danny, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to me.
Thank you for the invitation.
Yeah,
once
my
again.
pleasure. So we're here on this stand because it kind of showcases a lot of the strengths of the Peronda Group.
Yep.
And one of the things that is really sort of revolutionizing our industry right now is the ability to decorate digitally, not just with color. The ability to digitally decorate with texture and with gloss and matte finish as well within the same piece. So how is Peronda Group and Harmony doing that?
Well, now our main target is to achieve new finishes, to achieve new colors, new deepnesses that were tough before. And the reason is because at the end of the day, the looks are always the same. We are repeating during the time the looks. So what can we do to make something different? Is to change the finishes, to change the textures. And here, for instance, there is an example. This is hydraulic, but instead to be a flat hydraulic, as we did always, and we are using different textures. The matte, we are mixing the matte with a glossy glaze, giving different effects. Also, it's a different texture, even with a little relief, respecting the technical characteristics like the DCOF.
Yeah.
So
that's a lot. That's a lot of technology going into one small little 8x8 tile, where you've got you're digitally printing color, texture, reflectivity.
Yep.
It's an amazing sort of one small showcase of what the industry is doing.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Now, another thing that I've noticed is with all of this high technology, and tile is becoming much more desirable, but a lot of people think that it's a very expensive installation material. And I know that Peronda Group does a lot with keeping costs down for installers and making tile much more approachable for a lot of different consumers.
Yeah, one of the issues here and everywhere is the cost of the installation, not only the tile. Then we are every day working with or mixing more colors, more colorful tiles. So then this is something that sometimes is not easy for installers. When questions come, we like the grout, what color, what kind. So we try to make easy this process, giving, of course, the instructions. Then these pieces, in the case of Harmony, are not big pieces, which is easier for them. And in our catalogs and in our architectural folders, we give instructions, but not only of installation, also about the colors, joint colors. We give different patterns. Yes, patterns.
Taking out a lot of guesswork.
Exactly.
That's
exactly.
Great.
It's trying to make easy the.
I'm also noticing that in Harmony Group, you're doing a lot more non-rectified products, a lot more simple, calibrated, and that also helps to keep the cost down, doesn't it?
That helps. Because we try to do it more real. For example, Peronda or museum, everything is rectified. Here is more like artisan, let's say.
Yeah.
So that is a point that helps also to the installers.
It does. It's not a drawback, but it does actually keep the cost down as well. It's actually a design feature, but it keeps the cost down for the consumer also. So now, the other thing that the industry does a lot is collaborative work with other fields, and it's something that's actually part of the DNA of Harmony specifically. Maybe tell us a little bit about the collaborative process that Harmony goes through.
Always with Harmony above all. We've been working since several years with different interior designers and artists, international artists, with the idea to also to give us fresh ideas, or to do something else, something fresh, not just to be all the time imitating or copying the nature. And these collaborators, these designers are helping us to see beyond of
They
what
breathe
is
fresh
that-
air into,
exactly.
yeah.
This year, by the way, we are collaborating with Stacy Garcia. Stacy Garcia is probably the referent of the wallpapers here in the United States, and we are developing. It's already also almost done a new collection.
So
together
these are actually like prototypes where we're seeing something before
yeah,
it's even
yeah, this is
fully
a kind of
introduced.
prototype. Yeah,
That's fantastic. So this is
Yeah.
a hot take that we're getting
Yeah.
here in Harmony
Secrets.
Stand. So when is this expected to launch?
Probably next week in Vegas.
Okay.
Will appear something. Then it's Saye.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Chersaye in late August, September.
Yes, September.
But the
End of
official
September.
launch is in Las Vegas in a
Yes.
couple of weeks.
Yes.
Okay, well that's really cool. So I love that a lot of these tile manufacturers, like Harmony specifically, are reaching out to get new inspiration and ideas from different avenues and different fields of design, and it's something that they've actually built into the strategy of the company. You do a line like this unique with a new designer each and every year, don't you?
It's
Almost?
one every year. Yeah,
Yeah.
one every year.
Okay.
One every year.
Danny, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
I appreciate
Thank
you
you.
telling us your story.
Thank you so much.